This is OPPO Reno12 F, and today I'll share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So starting with a very useful, a very easy and convenient method to adjust the photo's exposure. So tap anywhere at the screen and drag the sun icon to the bottom if you would like to decrease the exposure value, or if you would like to increase your EV, just drag it to the top. So this way you can make the photo brighter or dimmer in a matter of seconds, and using your one finger pretty much. Now let's see what interesting modes we have here. So starting with a Pro mode. So this mode is designed to provide you with as much manual control over the pictures you shoot as possible, or as reasonably possible, should I rather say. So here, once in a Pro mode, you can manually adjust the ISO value. You can change the shutter speed, exposure, focus, distance, and white balance values. And well, this mode is a very convenient solution for people who are either not satisfied with how the camera of this phone automatically treats those parameters and would like to get a different result from the camera, or for the people who simply would like to get more manual control over the photos they shoot, or the photos they create, or perhaps just for the people to that are looking to get like some very particular result in terms of composition, colors, and all those things here. So if you know what you're doing, Camera Pro mode is definitely a very useful feature. Now, if you'll go into the more section of modes, you'll find the high-res mode, and the name of this photo mode is pretty self-explanatory. It just provides you with a higher photo capturing resolution. It uses the 50 megapixels lens, I think. So now let's take two identical pictures, but one using the regular photo mode, and the second one will capture in the high-res mode. And then we will go ahead and compare those two to see how different they actually are. So this photo has been taken in the regular photo mode, so that's how far I can zoom in, and you can see the level of details here is nothing to be proud of. If we'll go into the photo details here, we'll see that the resolution of this image is 3K by 4K. Now, when it comes to the high resolution 50 megapixels picture, you can already see that I can zoom in way further, and the level of details that this photo retains is also significantly higher. So that's to be expected. And if you will go into the details of this photo, you'll also find that its resolution is 2 times as big. It's 6K by 8K, so that's why this picture is more detailed, and well, because it has more space to put those details to, pretty much. But it comes at the downside of high-res photos having way more heavier file sizes. So once again, if we'll go to the details, this photo occupies 13.7 megabytes of storage, and the regular photo is going to set you back at 2.7, just so it's like 6 times as heavy as the regular photo mode, but I think it is pretty much worth it, if you ask me, since the difference is pretty, well, judge yourself. Guess it's obvious that the difference is really huge. Now, if you will get back to the camera itself and explore some settings, you can apply the custom watermark, not just a generic date or device name watermark. Just select the device model here and add customized text. Type in whatever you want to, and once the custom text is inputted, you can uncheck all those generic watermarks. You can write in whatever you see fit, your name, your nickname, or whatever it is that you would like for the watermark to carry, should I say. Now, another interesting option you might have missed is the QR code scanning. So switch it on, and you will not ever need to resort to using some third-party QR code scanners, or separate QR code scanner app, or Google Lens perhaps. You can just shoot up your regular default camera application and point the camera at the QR code, and it will be scanned and recognized by the camera. And now the final thing that I wanted to share with you in this video is additional shooting methods, so of which there are two. So tap to capture and show palm. So tap to capture works in both selfie and main camera, while show palm I think only works with the selfie shooter. So now the tap to capture works very simply. Just tap anywhere at the viewfinder to capture a photo. As you can see, the photos get captured. Do not mind the delay, that's because the exposure value is increased since there is not enough ambient lighting, but now as you can see it shoots as quick as the shutter button would, or almost as quick should I say. And the show palm feature, it's also very self-explanatory. You just need to show palm to your selfie camera to capture an image. It works it does not recognize your palm all the time, but sometimes you may find it useful. So right now it does not recognize my palm for some reason, but as I mentioned, so it did now. And now it sets the 3-second timer and takes a picture. So if you would like to take a photo from your selfie camera from a distance, so you will not be able to reach your device to actually press the shutter buttons, I think that's a pretty useful option at occasion, should I say. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.